Welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Bosch brand dishwasher. That one I have to show you how to do resetting program, otherwise test mode, because our customers sometime asking how to reset the program, because sometime it's some options, some functions are getting hanging. Sometime it's not working. It's like that. So many questions asking from us. Because of that, if we know the how to test mode, otherwise how to resetting program in this machine, we can do at the same time at customer home. Because of that, now I'm going to show you how to reset this dishwasher, and we will go to the next step. Now I want to show you this model. This is Bosch brand. This model is, you can see here, this model is SMS 46K I10M8. This is the model. This series, if you want to know how to test mode, how to activate test mode, otherwise reset in the machine, you have to watch this video until end. I already given power. Now you can see the before any option, everything I have to cancel, pressing 3 seconds this one. Now you can see it is 001 came. That's mean it is earlier it's running or affecting any program. Now already cancel. Now after that we can switch in off again. Now if you press again, it will come this option, this will come eco 3 hour and 30 minutes. This is eco 50 degree Celsius, this option. Now again I want to show you, that's why again I will cancel this option. Now cancel, and again I will shut down the machine. Now you have to press start, and this one 70 degree Celsius it's showing. This is normally we are telling intensive option. This intensive option and power switch, all three button together, all together, three button we have to press like that. Now okay, this is the test mode with this machine. Power switch and intensive button and start post button. This model having program 7, that's mean 7 program no need to activate, because this is enough, the P 0, otherwise P this first program. I will show you this one, program 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 programs are here. No need to activate all the program. That's one is enough. That's mean program first, program PO activate. After that you can this one you can see here. If you need only, you can do this one also reset. But according to my knowledge, I'm telling here this one. Now when you press this one, see, this is program sorry, this one program 7. Actually what I'm going to say, that is no need, only the PO program, first program it is enough. Now again now I'm going to show you PO program 0, how to activate and how to reset. That is enough. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. Now we will go to the next step. Now it's okay. Now what we can do, we cannot do any we cannot press anything. It will come like that. Now we have to press again intensive option. Now you can see it's all the light should be blink. Now one time we have to press this one. Now it's 5 already came, 500. Now we have to wait 12 minutes. We have to wait 12 minutes. Itself will restart all the program itself. It will check. Now you can see here it will increase until 12. We will go to the motor. Now you can see here dispenser, everything now you can hear inlet valve, vario valve and motor, sensors, everything now activate. Now all the things checking within 12 minutes. Now you can see here it is 7 km. Now it will, water also will take, drain pump, everything will we can check. Now you can hear the noise. Now pump already realize. Now water take into the machine. Now it came 10. We have to wait until H. It will show here H. That's mean heater option. After that we can restart the machine. Now it's 12 already. It is will come now 11 minutes. Now you can hear pump working already. You can hear the noise. Now it 12 came. Now it will come H. That's mean heater mode. While realize the test mode, don't in between, don't power off. Now it's already came H. Now heater will start. Realize the heater now. Also the motor also with the water starting at the same time. Now you can see here it's still H. Now you can see, you can hear the noise. Now what we can do, now again we have to start the machine here. Now also see, we cannot do anything. You can see here, while you are touching anything, it's coming like that. That's mean we cannot do anything. Again we have to press one time here, hold until 00 will come here. Now it came already 00. Now it's 0 came. Now we cannot do anything. You can see here it's 0 came. We are not able to do anything. Also see, now only we can restart the machine or off the power again. Now again power on. Now it will come 3. That's mean eco option. Now we can use whatever option. Now machine is ready to work. Now we can select any option here. This any option we can select. After that machine we can start. Now I will start the machine. This one only the rings option. This one you can see here it's not washing, actually rings we are telling. Now it is 15 minutes. I will start the machine. Now machine drain. After that is normal cycle will start. This is the way how to test mode with this model, the Silence Plus Bosch model series 4. This is the way how to test mode, how to run the test mode. Now machine is ready. This machine no any problem actually. Just I want to show you how to test mode, how to activate, how to test the machine. Now because of that only I did this work and this video. Now I think you learned something with this video, and we will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks for watching my channel.